Hi, Paul. I'm right behind you. Hi.
Hello.
What do we have here?
Well, we just made our last connection to the house plumbing, the new house. I'm going to turn it on right now and check for leaks. We have a drilled well with a 3 horsepower variable speed pump, 20-gallon captive air pressure tank with a whole house filter, a simple whole house filter. This system took about a day and a half to put in. It's a new house, but they had to run a new water line and power line to the well, and they moved the tank location.
We're inside a basement?
So we're in their basement. Yes, that's how we prefer to do it. Put the equipment in the basement, do a frost-free wellhead, buried water line, so there's no maintenance outside. We haven't finished trimming the wires up, but it's going to be a good workhorse system for them. They want to do a lot of outside irrigating. With the 3 horsepower pump, they'll still have plenty of pressure inside and do all the watering they want outside. Let's see how the water's running inside.
Nice.
Very good.
Now, you say your preference is to install a system in a basement, but they
That's
can
correct.
be installed outside.
That's right. The equipment is made to be outside, but they'll always last longer, in our opinion, inside. And of course, you don't have the maintenance you have outside. You have the weather to deal with, bugs, all kinds of critters
Yeah.
for a pump house. But if you have a house on a slab or an older house, or certain reasons, you have to do a pump house. But this is how we prefer to do it.
Okay. Where's the well located?
We'll go outside and show you where the well is. We're not done here, so everything is cleaned up like I said. Here we drilled holes into the basement wall and brought the water line into the house along with the power line.
Okay,
This
so then it goes over here.
That's right, and then it goes up in the 4 joists into the tank location. And then terminates at the well location.
All right. Okay, so show us where the well's located.
This area of the basement may get a little cold in the winter time, so we hung the pipe with those 1-inch pipe J straps, and we've used heat trace with it, and we'll insulate it. And that should take care of the winter fire.
Okay.
And over out here is where the well is.
Okay.
Frost-free endless adapter wellhead. No maintenance, cannot freeze.
Wow.
No bugs. No issues with bugs or mice or anything, which they typically have in a pump house. And there we have a valve box stubbed out for the irrigation system, and put a hose spigot in there so they can hand water until they get the irrigation system in. Right now we're testing it's a brand new well.
Nice.
And if you look at the house here, like we saw inside, the water line is below grade, so it will not freeze. And then we have a couple of electrical boxes. One's for the irrigation system, one is for our pipe. It protects the cables from the elements.
Super.
And that's it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.